potential for significant snowfall, especially in the higher elevations. So we're looking for about 4 to 8 inches back through Ohio, closer to a foot to a foot and a half across the Northeast. Again, the higher elevations.
It's all snow and it's a lot. How much snow are we talking about? We are talking about big totals far north once this thing clears out by Monday overnight. So,
winter storm warning will impact the North Country this afternoon through Sunday afternoon. A significant system will bring widespread snow to the North Country this afternoon through Sunday afternoon. Snow will be heavy at times, falling a rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour late tonight into Sunday morning. Whoa. Winds are supposed to reach, I don't know. Anyways, we're supposed to have a blizzard. This is the calm before the storm. Got the GoPro set up, doing a time lapse. We're gonna use this as like measurement. It's about 2 feet tall, so cleared away some snow there at the bottom. If you just want to go to the time stamp here, and you can look at the time lapse. I'll show it at the end. We'll see. 7 o'clock. I feel like the Weather Channel right now. It's so cold out here. It's actually really cold out here. 6 degrees. Snow is falling. Fluffy snow. So that's all new. You can see the GoPro's still up. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. It's 7 a.m. It has snowed completely through the night, and it has snowed significantly. I think I broke the GoPro. It's not even on right now, but I got some good transitions. To compare the snowfall, if you saw yesterday, so this is the bottom, and that's the top of the snowfall, so definitely got at least 1.5 feet, but it's really beautiful out. Still snowing, but not as heavy as it was earlier. So I will leave you with the time lapse.